How to view your closed trades. Let's learn how to view your closed trades on BlackArrow. At the top of the platform, click on Trade menu and select Performance Profile. Then select the Trades tab. Here, you need to choose the account where you executed your trades to view the corresponding data. Once you've selected the account, you'll see a complete report that includes details such as the traded asset, the broker used, the date and time of when the position was opened and closed, the total trade duration, the quantity traded, the buy and sell prices, and the results obtained. You can also filter your trades by days, weeks, months, or specific periods. Additionally, you can filter by traded asset. In the Summary tab, you'll find an overview of your performance over time in the selected account. In the Charts tab, you can visualize information through different types of charts, such as the interval chart or trade chart. Use the available filters to adjust the data and get the most relevant information. See you in the next video.